Let's journey deep into the lush emerald forests nestled between the mighty Brahmaputra in India and the Manas River in Bhutan. This remote, breathtaking landscape is the only place on Earth where the elusive golden langur calls home, a true natural wonder found nowhere else. These striking primates, known scientifically as Trachypithecus gayi, are true masters of the canopy. Agile and graceful, they spend their entire lives leaping, swinging, and foraging high above the forest floor, rarely ever touching the ground. Their world is a vertical maze of green, a living labyrinth of leaves and branches. Every day, their survival depends on the health and continuity of these ancient forests, which provide food, shelter, and safety from predators. Isolated by powerful rivers for thousands of years, the golden langurs evolved into a unique species, perfectly adapted to this environment. Hidden from science until the 1950s, they remained a mystery to the outside world. For generations, local villagers quietly observed these golden-furred primates, their knowledge keeping the langur's secret safe. It wasn't until naturalist EPG documented them that the world learned of their existence, hence their scientific name. The golden langur's story is a powerful reminder that our planet still holds incredible secrets, often safeguarded by the wisdom and stewardship of local communities who share their forests. As a flagship species, the golden langur's health is a direct reflection of the well-being of their entire ecosystem. When they thrive, so does the forest and all the life within it. These langurs are deeply rooted to their ancestral home. They don't migrate or wander far, living their whole lives in the same patch of forest generation after generation. Whatever happens to these forests, whether it's destruction or protection, directly shapes the fate of the golden langur. Their future is inseparable from the fate of these trees. When we talk about the golden langur, we're also telling the story of their fragile, beautiful forest home, a story of survival, connection, and the urgent need to protect what remains wild. The golden langur's fur is a dazzling gold, shimmering brilliantly in the sunlight and catching the eye of anyone lucky enough to spot them. This radiant coat is not just beautiful, it's a symbol of the forests they call home, reflecting the dappled sunlight that filters through the canopy above. As they move gracefully through the canopy, their golden fur seems to glow against the lush green leaves, making them appear almost ethereal as they leap and climb with effortless agility. Their color ranges from creamy white to deep gold, shifting subtly with the seasons. This ever-changing palette makes them one of the most visually stunning primates in the world, and a true marvel to observe in the wild. Their long, elegant tail, sometimes even longer than their body, acts as a perfect balancing tool for their acrobatic leaps. It sways and curls as they navigate the treetops, helping them maintain balance and control during daring jumps. Their black hairless face, framed by a thick golden mane, gives them a regal and almost mythical look. Their expressive, intelligent eyes are always alert, scanning their surroundings for both danger and opportunity. Adults weigh around 10 to 12 kilograms, nimble yet powerful for life in the trees. Their muscular build allows them to swing, climb, and leap with remarkable strength and precision. Baby langurs are born almost white, standing out in stark contrast against their mother's golden coats. As they grow, their fur gradually shifts to gold, a transformation that marks their development and growing independence. This magical transformation marks their journey from vulnerable infant to full-fledged troop member, ready to explore and play among the branches with the rest of the group. The striking contrast of their black face and golden fur is unmistakable, setting them apart from all other primates in their habitat. With their unique appearance and radiant color, you'll never mistake a golden langur for any other primate. They are truly one of nature's most extraordinary sights. Golden langurs are leaf specialists, folivores, feeding mostly on young, tender leaves. They supplement their diet with ripe fruits, flowers, and buds, especially when fruit is in season. Their selective eating and knowledge of the forest help them find the best food sources year-round. Foraging is a daily ritual guided by experienced females who lead the troop to the best spots. Their multi-chambered stomach, full of special bacteria, lets them digest tough leaves and neutralize plant toxins. This adaptation allows them to thrive on a diet that few other animals can handle. Their survival depends on the forest's seasonal cycles and the wisdom passed down through generations. The golden langur is perfectly evolved for its leafy niche. Life in the treetops isn't without danger. Golden langurs must always be alert, their senses constantly tuned to the slightest movement or sound. Every day brings new challenges, and survival depends on their ability to detect threats before it's too late. From above, eagles like the crested serpent eagle can snatch the unwary, especially young langurs. These powerful raptors glide silently, their sharp eyes scanning for any sign of vulnerability among the branches. In the trees, leopards are stealthy hunters, using camouflage and agility to ambush troops. Their spotted coats blend perfectly with the dappled light, making them nearly invisible until it's too late. Langurs rely on sharp eyesight and group vigilance to spot threats early. Each member of the troop plays a role, scanning the canopy and undergrowth for any sign of danger. Their alarm calls, distinct barks or coughs, warn the troop and trigger instant action. These vocalizations are crucial, allowing the group to react as one and scatter to safety. Different calls signal different dangers, whether from the sky or the trees. This sophisticated communication system helps them coordinate their movements and avoid predators. Sometimes, habitat loss forces langurs to cross open ground, exposing them to tigers, dogs, and other risks. On the forest floor they are far more vulnerable, and every crossing is a perilous journey. Their best defense is to stay in the trees, where their agility gives them the upper hand. Leaping from branch to branch, they can escape most threats with remarkable speed and grace. The canopy is their fortress, leaving it as always a last resort. Here, thick leaves and tangled branches offer both shelter and concealment from predators. Survival here means constant vigilance and teamwork. Only by working together, sharing warnings, and staying alert can the golden langurs hope to thrive in a world full of predators and perils. Golden langurs are deeply social, living in troops of 8 to 50, led by a dominant male. Family bonds are strong, mothers nurture their infants, and other females help care for the young through allomothering. Grooming is a daily ritual, strengthening social ties and calming tensions. Playful juveniles chase and wrestle, building skills for adult life. The dominant male stands guard, using loud calls to warn of danger and mark territory. If rivals approach, he defends his troop with displays and aggression. This social structure provides safety, stability, and a nurturing environment for the next generation. The troop's harmony is key to their survival in the wild. Watching golden langurs move is like seeing a ballet in the treetops. They leap 6 to 8 meters between trees, using powerful legs and their long tails for balance. Their movement is a blend of careful walking on branches and spectacular aerial jumps. Hands and feet grip branches securely, while their tails act as stabilizers. This agility lets them travel quickly, find food, and escape danger without touching the ground. When resting, they bask in the sun or groom each other, always alert to their surroundings. Their acrobatics are not just for show, they're essential for survival. The forest canopy is both their playground and their sanctuary. Despite their beauty, golden langurs are endangered and their numbers are falling fast. Habitat loss from logging, farming, and expanding villages is their biggest threat, fragmenting their forest home. Isolated troops face inbreeding, health issues, and more dangerous encounters with humans. Crossing roads or fields exposes them to vehicles, dogs, and conflict with farmers. Power lines pose a modern danger, causing tragic electrocutions. Conservation efforts are underway. Protected areas, reforestation, and community involvement are making a difference. Manas National Park and other reserves offer hope, reconnecting fragmented habitats. Raising awareness and supporting local communities are key to their survival. Protecting the golden langur means saving an entire ecosystem. We all have a role in ensuring this golden treasure endures for generations to come.